Hey, let's begin. Go get your app store and hit the install button to download this particular application. When you are done with installation, navigate to the application. There you'll be able to find credit section. This is what you must worry about. For every call that you make, you got to spend 1,000 of your available credits. Now, digging that 1,000 coins isn't a task of Herculean. Though it takes time. But, it's literally worth it. The only thing you have to do is to watch some ads. When you're done with that, sufficient enough to make calls, then move to the Call tab. Enter the number to which you want to make a call.
Well, I hope that you won't be requiring much of an advice further as the process is halfway done. The rest is upon you. Dig credits, make calls, that's all what you've to do. Have a nice day ahead.